You ever hear a 2-5-1 that just melts into the next chord? This is how you get that. If your gospel chord transition don't feel smooth yet, this 2-5-1 is a big part of why. I believe my 2-5-1 chord progression was never that nice until I find this little technique. 2, I'm in the key of F sharp. Alright, a lot of you are familiar with the key of F sharp. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, back to 1. What fixed my 2-5-1 was that very simple technique. But before I go to that technique, let me encourage you to subscribe, like this video, and leave me a comment. Let me know if you are familiar with the key of F sharp, or if you prefer me to play in the key of either C sharp, or the key of C, or the key of F, or key of E flat. I cannot go through all the keys in one lesson. I always encourage everybody to play in all 12 keys. In the key of F sharp, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Now the way I would play the key of 2 to 5 would be like this. See? Do it again. See? So let's go. This one. Again. See? 2. It's used everywhere in gospel. And once you understand it, everything starts connecting.